Okay, so we have this database task. All right, we are supposed to import a CSV file, right? And we are also given a table like this. All right, quite standard. Okay, the data type, field name, and the display. So this one we are supposed to have one decimal place. All right, then price, currency symbol, zero decimal place, and there is a Yacht ID, right? Yacht ID is this one, right? As a primary key. Okay, so let me go to my database. All right, so this is the database. Right, it's empty at this current moment. Right, and by default, you will create one table. Okay, you will always create one particular table. Right. So right now, I need to import from a file. I'm not going to use the Excel, right? Because it's not actually Excel. CSVs are usually text file. All right. So source. Okay, let me look for the source. Should be in my desktop. What's the file name? Oh, sp2 yacht. Okay, sp2 yacht should be this one. All right. Okay, import into the current database. All right, and it will be delimiter, right? Not fixed width because we are using CSV. So comma separated value. Okay, so you have the name on top, and you will see that some of the values are two-digit decimal, right over here. Okay, so comma. The first row is the field name. Right, the first row is actually the field name, and you can see, okay, this one has two decimal digit, one decimal digit, and this should be the price. All right. So okay, data type. All right. So data type. Okay, the length. All right. Okay. So the length right now, I will leave it as double. Right. Looks like that's the only one. So I can't use integer, right? Because integer will cut away the decimal. Right. So I'll leave it as double first. All right. Price currently, okay. Price currently, I can set it to currency, right? If I want to, okay. And the rest should be no problem. Okay. So let access add a primary key. No, I want to choose my primary key to be Yacht ID. Right, so this one, Yacht ID. All right. And okay, put it into this table, finish. Save import step. No, no need. All right. So I don't need this. I just, okay, I just need this. Okay, so this is the price. Okay, but of course, because my global setting is actually in Malaysia at this current moment. So that's why it's put it as Ringgit Malaysia. And the length, all right, is supposed to be one decimal, right? Not two decimal. See, there are some two decimal, some one decimal, and some don't have any decimal. All right. So I should be able, I have imported. Okay, now I need to better design it. Okay, so I got a key over here. This is the primary key. You can see the primary key over here. All right. So the length, all right, currently is a double. All right. I can, okay, all right. So it's a number. The field size is a double. Okay, I can actually do it as a decimal. Doesn't matter. Right. actually it's easier to set if you do it in a decimal. Precision 18, yes. Uh, Decimal, we need one decimal. Okay, one decimal. We need one decimal, but you must remember the scale. All right, the scale. Okay, so the scale, let's try two first. And okay, save. All right, and view. Nope. Okay. Oops. Number, decimal, precision, one. Save and view. Yeah, now it's maximum one decimal. See, maximum it is now one decimal space. All right. Then the price. Okay, the price is now currency. Yes. All right. Okay. But because I'm in Malaysia, but if I do not want this, okay, in Malaysia, I could change it just to a general number and then later on fix the output. Can fix the output. Okay, save this. View. Okay, now it is without the ringgit Malaysia. All right. So okay. So this one I must remember to format it. Okay, because this one is price. Right. So we need to actually do formatting later on using this. Right. When we do the output or when we do the or we actually when we do the report. Right. Because if we leave it as currency, what will happen is it will generate the RM because, right, you can see, okay, this one is because of the globalization. Right, I'm actually located in Malaysia at this current moment.